everybody, welcome to Doodle Day! Today, on our week of animals, we are doing the raccoons. All you're going to need is a piece of paper and your crayons. Doesn't matter what brand, Crayola, Rosart, any of those. And we'll head over there and get started. Alright guys, for our very last animal, we're drawing a raccoon. So, to start with the raccoon, grab that black crayon. This is also the last we're going to be using crayons. So, starting tomorrow, we'll have a new medium.
Oh no.
Okay, you're going to do that curve. This is very much like the fox, only just slightly different. You're going to do those pointy ears just like the fox. Okay, you're going to go curve out just like the fox. But this time, instead of making a pointy bottom, you're going to make a curved bottom. Okay. Now, starting with this little point here, we're going to make kind of a curved line to the middle, and then another curved line to the other pointy side.
Last time we had a guide, this time we just have to go with the flow.
Okay, and we're going to put a nose right here near the bottom. Then we're going to do...
I should probably put this in the screen.
Curve right here. Okay, and a curve right here.
Mine's going to be a very sad one.
Okay, eyeball in that curve, and another eyeball. Okay.
Oh my gosh, the eyes are lower than the nose.
Then a curve here.
Where? Oh, those are points.
Okay, you might want to see what you can do to, if you're unhappy with how it looks, see what you can do to make a change. Okay, good.
There.
All right, so
A very sad raccoon.
for a raccoon, I am going to start with my black, and I'm going to color these areas here, but I'm going to color really lightly so that we can still see the eyes.
Well, if you're going to do that, then I'm going to grab my gray.
Okay.
For safety. Perfect. Beautiful.
Okay, and maybe go over the eyes again just so you can see them. Okay, and then I'm going to do my gray for the top part.
Quickest I've ever done. Yeah.
And make sure you're not scribbling. Scribbling makes a pretty drawing hard to see. Okay, now I'm gonna leave that out.
Look like it has curly hair. Oh,
I dropped it. Oh well. Okay, take my pink and I'm gonna color in those ears. Okay, then I'm gonna take my black for the shading in the eyes. I'm gonna go a little darker. Press a little bit harder. And I'm also going to, pressing lightly, shade inside the gray area here and in the ear. Okay, but that looks a little weird because the white doesn't have any shading, and I'm going to use gray for that.
my very favorites.
Okay, and trying to stay the same distance as the other shading. Okay. We're just going to get a little smaller there. See how I get my shading? It's bigger here and smaller down here. That makes it so it looks like it has a nice curved dimension. And there you go. You have a raccoon. All right, guys, tomorrow is a brand new week of Doodle Days, and I'll be telling you what it is later. This is week 1 of our Doodle Days series, and for this week we are going to be covering animals. Restart.
What?
I'm Tiffany, and this is my assistant Donovan, and this week we are going to be covering animals.
What was that about?
Alright. Next one.
We have fox next. You're picking those up.
Today, in our animal week, we are going to...
The way I can keep the smile is because I'm laughing so much.
Perfect. Alright.
Please stop.
Okay.